Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Webflow to export code for custom UI tweaks step by step clearly. Open your Webflow project dashboard. Select the project you wish to configure. Navigate to the designer view. Customize your site as needed using Webflow's visual tools. Once your design is complete, go to the top left corner of the designer. Click on the export code icon. A modal window will appear with export options. Review the content that will be included in the export. Select the checkbox to include all pages or specific pages if preferred. Click the Prepare Zip button. Wait for the export process to finish. Once ready, a download link will appear. Download the zip file to your computer. Locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the zip file. Open the HTML files in a code editor of your choice. Make any custom UI tweaks you desire in the HTML, CSS, or JavaScript files. Save your changes regularly. Preview the changes in your browser to ensure everything looks correct. Upload the modified files to your web hosting server. Ensure that all links and resources load correctly. Test your site thoroughly to confirm all customizations are functioning as expected. Continue to iterate on your design as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.